How's it going? My name is Scott Moss. I'm a founder at an AI startup, and welcome to Building an AI Agent from Scratch. In this course, we're going to use the OpenAI API to make calls to an LLM, provide our agent with superpowers by giving it tools to access APIs and generate images, and then also how to implement memory management so our agent never forgets our conversation. By the end of this course, you'll have everything that you need to build an intelligent assistant that you can deploy at work or in your personal life. So again, like I said, we're building an agent. This agent is kind of cool. It has the ability to read the front page of Reddit, generate images, and get random dad jokes. So I don't know, like a combination of those three things, you can do some pretty wacky stuff. I experimented with it the other day, and the results that I got from asking it to do stuff, I was just like, what the heck? Why would you make that? It was just crazy. It was crazy. So, because I mean, you throw Reddit in there, and it's just like you don't know what you're gonna get on Reddit, and then like you'll see. So, the way you use it is, so I have a command here in the package JSON. It should just be start. So you can just do npm start like this, and then you can pass in a message like this. So I'm gonna say, show me a dad joke with an image. So I'll do this. You can see that the assistant is thinking. It ran the dad joke function. It's now generating an image. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna get. I don't know what dad joke you got, but it's gonna try to make an image for that dad joke, and then it'll give it to us, and then we can go look at it, and then we can keep asking questions. So here was the joke that it got. I used to work in a shoe recycling shop. It was soul destroying. Okay, and then here's the image that it generated. There it is, right? So it's like, it can get, if you throw Reddit in there, it's gonna get real crazy real quick. Like, I'm almost hesitant to even do it. I did it one time, I was like, okay, maybe not that. but as you can see, it could get pretty cool. So that's what we're going to be building, and you can continue to ask it questions, right? It has memory, it knows your whole conversation, so you can be like, oh, okay, what does that joke mean, right? If I literally didn't know what that joke meant, I can just ask it, and then it'll be like, oh, okay, cool, idiot. Like, there's a play on words here for soul and soul. That's what the joke is about, and it's trying to tell me that. So our agent it has that power to be able to connect to those things, and then have a memory to remember our conversation and do stuff. So that's what you're going to be building today. There's a lot that goes into this, from like chat history, memory, running on a loop, executing tools, combining results. There's just so much that kind of goes into it. But like, once you have like the foundation, it'd be really cool. So a couple examples I see of like agents in the wild. First, you got to think about two different types of agents. There's like conversational agents, which we're going to be building, and then there's like transactional agents that just like are just like one-off things. Conversational agents, really good use cases for those are like, the number one thing that I see the most is like, like you go on a website and you see like the intercom bubble pop up, or like some chat thing pop up. Everybody has an AI thing there now, right? Because, I can't remember, like, I don't know, maybe like 2014, you'll go to someone's website and an intercom thing pops up and it's like, support team's like offline right now. Okay, not with AI. Their support team is on all the time. So they can take this agent, they can train it on all their customer support documentation, all their product documentation, and then you can just chat with it. So I see a lot of that. And that's not just on a website in a chat interface, but it's also on a phone in a voice interface. It's also over email, where you're emailing an agent. Like, any way that you can communicate via customer service, I'm starting to see it being outsourced to AI. So that's probably the number one use case for like agents that are like chat based. But you also see, other things, when it comes to what I call like vertical agents. So like taking an agent, making it work for just this one use case. Like, I want to be able to, like a common one was like, talk to this PDF or talk to this spreadsheet. You can take any document that has data in it, or even a database, and be like, I want to talk to this database. I want to talk to this spreadsheet. That's a very common use case for like an agent that's chat-based, because it has access to that data source and it can pull from it to answer questions for you. And if you wrote the other side of it, it can write to it as well, which is, I don't know, if you want your agent writing SQL for you, go ahead. But like, yes, it can do that as well. There's literally nothing it can't do. So like, if you tell it to push the nuke button, it will push the nuke button. So, don't tell it to push the nuke button. So you see a lot of agents in that way. Then you have like the transactional agents. Those are just like, what you would get in like a text editor, like a coding thing, right? So if I go in here and I'm like, I ask this to be like, make a function that adds two numbers, it's a transactional thing. It does allow me to do like follow-up instructions and stuff like that, but it's like not going to remember this. It's not saving that anywhere. It's not, it's transactional. There's a couple things we need to do, right? So one thing is if we add the previous messages here, which we will get from get messages, and then we add our next one here, it's not going to remember this one because we're only just adding it. So we're going to have to save that one too. But I wanted to see if you guys were going to catch that, but then I realized like that one's a little hard to catch. So let's just do it. So yeah, let's get the messages. So let's say import, we'll add messages and we'll also get messages like this. And then here, we want to be able to pass in like the history. So go to run LLM. Let's see, right now it only takes in the message string. We want it to be able to take in messages like this and not just a message string, right? So if we go to the LLM right quick, we can instead say, you know what? No more are we just a transactional LLM, we're a chat thing. So I'm gonna say messages now. We're gonna take in messages, and messages is gonna be an array of AI messages, like that. And now down here, I can just get rid of this and just say, it's just messages now. So you take in some messages, and we just forward them straight to OpenAI. We don't do anything else. Just grab the messages, pass them to OpenAI, done. Follow me there? Okay, cool. Back to the index. We can get rid of the user message, and now I can say, let me grab the history or whatever you want to call it. That's get messages. And then, well, I guess I'll just call it messages for name's sake. So I don't have to write it twice because I'm so lazy. Then we can just pass in messages like this with the older messages at the beginning of the array. And then the new message we just got with a role of user, and content is going to be user message. Cool. Follow me so far? Okay, so like I said, we're going to get the previous ones and, it'll work, but it won't know this new one because we're not saving it. So just to show you an example, I'm going to go into my db.json. I'm just going to add some messages in here. I'm going to say role user. I guess it's got to be JSON. Role user. And then I'm going to say content. I'm going to say, hello, my name is Scott. And I'm just going to add that as like the first message, and then I'll add a second message. And here's where it gets really crazy. I can speak for the AI. Like I can just come in here and say, assistant, you said this. Remember you said this? Like the AI doesn't have to generate this message. I can say what the AI said, which is something you will be doing a lot if you make a chat app, because you don't always need the AI to generate something. Some things are deterministic. You kind of know what they are. So you will be doing this a lot. So I'm just gonna say, well, the AI responded, but with like, hi, Scott. Cool. So I'm just gonna put those messages in there. So now if this works, the very next thing that I should say is like, what is my name? And it should be able to tell me, even though I told it what my name is. If I ask it on the CLI, I should say what my name is, and it should say Scott if we did this right. So let's go see. I'm gonna say, what is my name? Your name is Scott. Looks like it knows my name now, right? And just to show you that like, I can put anything here. Let's say John. If I do that, then your name is John. Let's try something with Reddit. Let's try to do something with all three of them. So I have Reddit, I have NBA stuff, I have dad jokes, and I have image generation. What can I do with all three of those? Find me a post on Reddit that makes... Oh, no. Because this one's random. Hold on, let me see. What am I doing? Why are we not asking the AI for this? What am I doing? I have 3 tools. Get all the posts from NBA Reddit, generate an image with a diffusion model, and get a random dad joke. Make me a prompt I can use that uses all 3 of these. Yeah, what are we doing? I don't have to think about anything. Here we go. Where's the cheat lace with Indians?
Now, would you even need to have told it about the tool? Just say, give me a prompt.
That's true. It already knows about the tools. I forgot I'm using the same AI that generates the thing. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy. Okay, let's workshop this one because it doesn't know about NBA, so we're gonna have to fake that. Oh no. Okay, first retrieve the latest post from Reddit to gather trending topics and discussions, then select a popular image post related to the NBA. That should be fine because they're all from the NBA. Next, use that post as inspiration to generate a meme image with a diffusion model. I don't have to say with a diffusion model. Incorporating a funny or clever twist. Finally, add a random dad joke that relates to basketball or sports in general. It's not going to be able to do that. Or it'll just keep asking it until it finds one.
Exercise that while loop.
Yeah. All right. I'm down. Let's see. Okay. Whoa, it just got back so much from Reddit already. Oh, okay. It's already generating image. So it got Reddit first this time. Last time it got the dad joke first, I think. So that's interesting. Let's see what happens. Oh, it generated it. Looks like it. Okay, why did the basketball team go to the bank? Because they wanted to get their bounce checks. Oh no. Okay. Well, let's see. Confident character in a basketball jersey with a funny twist and idea of dunking. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, I think that's the one. That's the one. What the hell, man? Oh.
We're gonna leave this one in the covers.
Oh my God.
For sure.
Oh, this one's good.
That one's gonna haunt me at night.
Ooh, man. Yeah, it's there you go. That's AI for you.